Hello everyone, I'm Savitri Kuloli from AIML branch in BLDACT. Today's our topic is Turing machine with problems. What is the meaning of Turing machine? That is they on here. A Turing machine is a theoretical model of computation consisting of an infinite tape, a read-write operation, a finite set of states and transition function. It reads and writes symbols on the tape. It is moves left and right according to the transition rules to perform the computation. This is our tape. Our tape is considering the strings on here. Before starting of the string, after ending of the string, we are normally using the blank symbol. This is our acceptance language. Acceptance language is normally containing the 7 tuples. Those 7 tuples are m equal to q comma summation comma tape comma delta comma q naught comma b comma a. Q means set of finite state, summation means input symbol, and tape means containing the tape symbols, delta means transition functions, q naught means start state, b means blank symbol or special symbol, a means set of the final states. Based on Turing machine, we are consider the some of the problems. Those problems are first one is n equal to a raised to n, b raised to n is greater than equal to 1. When we are solving this problem, consider the some of the steps. First one is tape. Second one is transition diagram. Third one is transition table. Fourth one is acceptance language. These two steps are performed parallelly. Observing the above problem, we are consider the n equal to 1, 2 and 3. By the given language, if it is n equal to 1, 1 time of A, 1 time of B. If it is n equal to 2, 2 times of A, 2 times of B. If it is n equal to 3, 3 times of A, 3 times of B on here. First step is tape. Second step is transition. Diagram. The starting with string. This is our table. Starting with blank symbols. 3 times of A. Ending with blank symbols. The A is always replaced with X and B is replaced with Y. The diagram always start with Q naught state. If it is string A replaced with X, move towards the right. Then string A replaced with X, move towards the right. Then it is Q1 state. Present we are there in A. When we are getting the any number of A's, more number of A's as well as, it is written on as well as. Means A string replaced with A and move towards the right. It is also same. Then it is moved towards the right on here. When we are reached to B state, means B string, it is replaced with Y and it is moved towards the left. Means B bar, Y bar, left. Then we are finally reached to Q2 state on here. Present we are there in Q2 state. It is same as it is. We are present there on A state. Means it is replaced with A and move towards the left. Then we are reaching at the Q1 state. That is Q naught state. Means A states. X bar X move towards the right. Present we are there on Q naught state. In the Q naught state, same as it is, replace with X and move towards the right. As it is, present we are there on Q1 state, it is as it is, same A bar A comma R. Then it is moved towards the right on here. Present we are there on B, means Y. means the y replaced with y move towards the right. Okay, yeah, finally we are reaching to q1 state. String of the b replaced with y and move towards the left. q2 state, in q2 state we are there on b is already done on here, then means y as replaced with y and move towards the left. Present we are there on next, present we are there on a as replaced with a move towards left. Okay, finally we are reaching to q0 state, that is x replaced with x and move towards right. After this one, present we are there on q0 state, replace with x and move towards right. And after this one, present we are there on b state as well as y right side, this is also same. Then we are move towards the this one because it is replaced with y. In q1 state to q2 state, string of the b replaced with y and move towards the left. Then we are present on y comma y replaced with l and a y comma y replaced with l, same as it is. Finally we are reaching the q0 state, x bar x comma r. This is fine. Finally we are completed the all three a's replaced with x done on here. We will think about the b's. All b's are replaced with y or not, we will check on here. The first one b is completed. Here y is replaced with y and l and it is moved towards the right. This is our q3 state on here. It is replaced with y string replaced with y move towards the right, and q3 state y string replaced with y move towards the right. Finally we are reaching to the blank symbol. This is our blank symbol. Then finally we are getting the last state, that is q4 state. The b string is blank symbol replaced with b and move towards the right on here. This is our transition diagram. Based on transition diagram, we are written the transition table on the next. Next one is transition table. Transition table is consider the states, tape symbols. The states are q0, q1, q2, q3, q4 and tape symbols are a, b, x, y, b. Based on the transition diagram, we are the written the transition table on here. This is our q0 state, input symbol a and it is moved to q1 state, means q1, x, r. And next one is it is moved to q3 state, input symbol y, means q3, y, r. Remaining all are as it is. Then we are there on q3 state. q3 state is consider the self loop, that is input symbol y. So q3, y, r. Then we are reaching the final state, q4 state, input symbol y, b and then q4, b, r. Then q4 state is final state, then it is all are blank on here. Based on our acceptance language, consider the 7 tuples. Those 7 tuples are m equal to q, summation, tape, delta, q0, b, a. First one q. Q is containing the number of finite states. Those are q0, q1, q2, q3, q4. Then summation, input symbol a, b. Then tape symbols a, b, x, y, b. Then transition function, consider the based on transition table. If it is q0, input symbol a, written q1, x, r. Delta of q0, a equal to q1, x, r. Delta of q0, y equal to q3, y, r. Delta of q3, b equal to q4, b, r. Then q0 state means start state, q0 only. Then b blank symbol, which B is belongs to tape. It is a blank symbol. Blank symbol always containing the blank only. Next final state, that is Q4. This is our Turing machine and Turing machine problem. Thank you.